In 1969, the birth of ARPANET was destined to change the world. People's internet habits have been changed since the first appearance of 802.11 standard. We seized the trends of the time to found the foundation. In 1999, the establishment of Tenda was destined to develop a new intelligent age. Through 17-year efforts, Tenda has grown to be a world-leading network device vendor. With R&D team with nearly 1,000 people, R&D bases in Shenzhen and Chengdu are our core impetus to develop. National New High-Tech Enterprise, Shenzhen New High-Tech Enterprise. These names are not only honors but also a spur. Well-paid jobs and easy-feeling enterprise culture attract large numbers of talented people together to create infinite futures. And the infinite and expansive future begins from steady, rock-like today. Our products cover almost all network devices including wireless product, switches, gateway, access points, PLC products, IP cameras and so on. Powerful performance, steady signal, easy deployment. Tenda brings changes to the world every day. In 2011, Tenda signed a strategic cooperation agreement with Broadcom, the foremost company in the global chip field, became the most important strategic cooperation partner with Broadcom in China. Tenda focuses on the foremost network technology R&D and application. All the new products are based on the chip projects to develop. The same core with Apple is a slogan and also the truth. The future of Tenda may be beyond our imagination. With 13 branches are spread all over the country, 29 offices and over 30,000 retail shops, Tenda is standing firmly in China, advancing towards the world. In America, Germany, Poland, Brazil, Australia, Russia, India, Indonesia, and other countries, Tenda has established overseas branches and offices and built up partnerships with more than 100 global top-level agencies. The products of Tenda have been exporting to over 80 countries and regions. Nevertheless, Tenda is not satisfied with this success, but persists in combining researching, producing and selling as one. Undertaking global OME services with the most forefront technology, excellent product quality and professional service system, Tenda is engaged in establishing a trustworthy network for the world. With the spirit of craftsman, we're always insisting on forging a router that can bring an excellent experience to the users. It is Tenda's mission to allow any intelligent terminal connecting conveniently, safely, speedily to the internet at any place, being managed intellectually, and to make people live an intellectual life. It is the mission of Tenda, it is our constant dream, and it is the road we must move on to. 3,000 hearts with firm and perseverance, 17 years staying true to ourselves. The road is up to you. Technology changes life. Shenzhen Jixiang Tenda Technology Company Limited, world's leading provider of network device.